3, 2, 1, and I'm live. Welcome back, everybody. Back at Edoga Open Workshops. I'm your host, Eddy. Play a moment intro.
Direct into where the orchestra was.
We'll be right back with you.
Ali on se u BIOS-u može isključiti i može se koristiti. Međutim, meni je trebalo zbog procesora nadograditi BIOS i onda se BIOS mijenja.
Okay, enough with the long intro. Switch to the yeah. Hi. I still need to gather around my monitors, put together all my stream monitoring. This is previous, what you're seeing, show notes scrolling on the side. It's previous episode summary. I've got these notes drafted and I'll publish them on my website. Also, these show notes will be available at the end of the video as I compile them through this session. So if you are interested in what will, since I even now at the beginning don't know what will be the result, but at the end, if you jump over there, it will be compiled and scrolling on the screen at the end of the video. I'm also kind of curious each time. About half hour in the video, doesn't seem that optimistic, no progress done, and then hour and around an hour in the session there are some results for each session so far. There was always a milestone breakthrough. So recent stream sessions, Mali we ready, which is I'm looking to put it under umbrella. I won't be rebranding the channel, but it's going under umbrella at Edoga, which refers to the website so far. Since as Edoga.net is not strictly related to streaming or video, that's the central spot for all fields of interest that I dwell into. In this time of season, I'm working with WordPress for that website. International English and Croatian version, two sister websites. For quite long I used the edoga.biz.hr domain as a living canvas for my personal online experiments, and I got used to using it, so it's actually, in practical sense terms, private cloud with public facing website. That's the thing. Private cloud because I can upload whatever I want on that shared hosting storage space, and publish it and monetize it, selling ad space for advertisers. on the pages, and I compile post live drafts, notes about the stuff I do, how I sort out things, technical stuff, computer builds, without, well, there is an order in a sense, depending time of year and the period of my life. I'm 50 years young, so you know how it is. You look back and there's 10 years. That's like not just a new page, complete new stack of notebooks when I look back. And so to avoid doing things twice, or and to keep my notes available, I use a WordPress publishing, website publishing framework for blogging for two reasons: rehearse and follow the trends, be available online all the time, and build a network online graph of connected connections for my IP. So far probably AIs, botnets probably are sentient about the edoga entity on the net for at least past decade, and recent years it got quite well cached in and out through the internet search engines, at least. I tried working with the mobile apps, closed systems, social networks, but those are just closed echo chambers. No result over there. That's dark web. Mobile apps, closed systems. I don't know why should I make content for free for a Meta company, or maybe for YouTube, but I, as a content creator, I do use YouTube, Twitch and so on, and my content is free. But I treat it as free advertising to drive traffic to my website. I'll also implement some robots.txt rules on the website to block AI chatbots scraping my knowledge, because that's all capital. Knowledge is capital, not just shareware freeware. I want to share knowledge and experience with the actual people, those who want to do some stuff on their own, who are willing to learn, and who want to get encouragement that things are doable. Because I see AI as a result of conformity, culture of conformity. I'm too lazy to do anything. Well, there you go. Closed circle AI. Artificial thing inventing itself. Cool. So, well, at least I'm a little bit chatty. This is second session in the same day. That's good. Pull together all these fine streamer dashboard tools. Activity feed pop out, Chat pop out on kick. What's this? I'll point out, I'll try keep my session, at least for some content like this, session runs up to 4 hours for compatibility across platforms, and the simplify editing, because it's a lot of good content is just lost in a long time format duration of the video. If you want to make more impact with your content, video streams, just see if you can use some time of time stamping either on the paper, or if you're multi-streaming on Twitch, grab there over there highlighter, what's it called? What's it called? Clip something, add marker, stuff like that. No, don't disable. Am I duplicating now? No, here it is. Got to get the Twitch chat out. Okay. Oh, just preview the audio. Preview audio. Cue for me. Okay, music balance is not bad. It's audible, but it will take more to become real annoying. Because for now I just have the same sound canvas for the background. Now I'm not listening anything on the side for my entertainment. None. I might take a peek maybe on the news from the cryptosphere. But I don't know, crypto is not anymore a mystery, it's all obvious over there. How, what, why, where is going on, where is leading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cool, got it, I got it, oh. So what do I do with show notes now? Sorry for yawning, squealing, making annoying sounds, pretending that it's entertainment. So, do you like learning new skills? That will make you employable? Maybe web development industry? Simple, visual type of website building? Using robust, sturdy, industry standardized, proven, battle-proven WordPress? Classical shared hosting stuff? Do you need some assurance that it's worth to, if you're doing some business online, investing $100 on this shared hosting package that will allow you to instantiate almost unlimited original email addresses on your own email server, set up the system your way. I didn't go to school for this. There's no school for this. There are schools now, but when I was young, read, learn, that was the game, and still is actually. Is there anybody who thinks that AI will teach itself new stuff? That AI is actually creative in real terms? That AI will come with new stuff, new concepts. It can possibly rearrange existing concepts, use the same elements and try another arrangement. Well, for show notes now, that are still from the previous episode, so far show notes cover almost, well, it will probably prove different during this stream season, but from my experience, I've touched most of the topics, at least from the entry level side, and I've started building specialized and concrete, like specific parts of website. Since I had to, I'll switch to Workbench. And this is since I have created two web pages, not a big deal so far, but during creating these two web pages, I've actually tested and checked around how the new block themes full site editing works, what is the relation in comparison with all theme styles, all style themes, all version of themes, older, like legacy themes. And it's still kind of early to make any show note. So I'm also rehearsing a new intro. What is this now? 20 minutes in the video. So this is, let's say, for YouTube standards, misfire video completely. But whoever's hanging around here knows that's just not the fact. So I had lunch. Got a full measure of coffee. Latte mocha. What's in the show notes? This web page turned out weird now after opening browser in and reloading it. Last session it appeared centered, now it's off to the left. It's still work in progress, and I care about it a lot. I care a lot. I'll push it into this format, central 2 columns. and I was working also kind of mobile first. So as long as the mobile layout, responsive mode so-called, works well. Now everything fits narrow screen. Cool. For mobile, I'll push this bottom section content to go center. But this page is far from finished. I'll work on it. Work. For now, I want to get on the same terms for all layout or common layout around the website. This is main blog feed page, 3 columns, timeline. Content is not organized in categories. That I want to do that, separate it, and point out, make them create a dedicated. So here's how I usually do it. I create a page and a category with same name. That helps with the search engine optimization, so the categories and page fit in the URL in more semantic way, human readable format. That's how I set my URLs to show. I had best result so far with that way, not some illegible and humanly unrecognizable strings of text in the URLs. And also my URL strategy allows for to separate and allow for different authors to monetize, track the earnings, the revenue. Hide away for a moment to log in. And I have a comment on the contact page. I use comment form for contacts. I don't install any additional plugin, and it works well, at least for marketing bots. So I got a comment from Megan Atkinson. Hi there, we run Instagram growth service, and that goes straight to bin, spam almost. That's how I do it here. Because it just doesn't reflect the reality of my content and what they're selling. On this website, I don't have enough text that somebody who reads it might figure out, oh, this guy knows its thing. But still, just glancing around, I don't see the Instagram as a desirable platform to spend marketing money on or anywhere. It's just like Woody Allen says, luck. I was lucky. Circumstances. You might help that on your own, do something to push maybe, suggest luck your way. But big money rules. That's where the stars are forged. stars trends are launched in a big money orgies, big money workshops, generation shifts. That's how the trends move, with generations and not some random stuff. Popular stuff on YouTube, TikTok, and that's just a simple if then else algorithm. Just a conditional branching, 1 0 less than, higher than, not equal, equal than. So no big deal, no clandestine, premeditated conditioning over there. What's the trend on the internet? Are humans still typing letters, or just press predefined, suggested, colored interface? Who's typing? Who's typing? Show your hands. Who uses keyboard? Who uses search engine to find stuff? You on the mobiles, do you know what's internet? Have you seen internet? Have you seen a website? One more quick look around the webs on my dashboard, Steam dashboard, just to make double checking the audio. Sounds good. I'll reminder that this is multi-streamed. Rules for chat apply almost exactly as they are stated in the terms and conditions platform guidance on the platform. Whichever platform that might be. Is this warm-up part? Yes, this is warming up part. Warming up part, and I'm actually, since I'm not following anything on the side, not watching anything, at the moment I'm not doing any watch parties or alike type of content. I can use the screen real estate I have available for monitoring dashboard, at least the user counts. Actually all these dashboards except Twitch, but even Twitch, they're all kind of Xenon had kinda nice dashboard, but also kind of weird. Beta TV X Silver used to have cute dashboard, but when I'm using Restream.io, the connecting over Restream.io, it's like a second-hand experience how the sessions start. Let's say for YouTube, it's the best example. If I go in YouTube dashboard, start a new live stream, but I'm planning to use Restream.io for the exact session. The Restream.io will actually make another completely different stream session with its own title, so it's best to for YouTube and Twitch. Twitch just accepts one session request, start a session request stream from the destination, from the source, but YouTube will actually react to the recreate a stream session as the Restream.io connects to it. Website, what was I about to dwell into here? Okay, for warm up, I want to sort out this layout, make it go center. Make it centered, close this, and I'll probably create my own template for a page template. But this might be probably my original intention. Come on, Control F5. Maybe I just clear the cache. Wait for a moment and hit F5 here in the preview. Oh, this is centered page, no question about that. I will work on this way. So here is this. How come this is left? Oh, this is outside. So go center this, update, and that will have it. That will make it go center. Yeah. So that's the game. I want that centered. This centered. And in case, I'll enable the click highlighter, mouse click highlighter, and the magnifier I will not use for a moment. I was looking about this, looking to get the content below goes center, so it appears centered, and I'll hit F5 just to reload and redraw the page, make it render again, to make sure that this is bottom content centered. And to make sure that's the fact, I will start the developer tools, browser developer tools, responsive mode, and double check how would this work on the handy mobile device. Is my content on the bottom? Yeah, so previously, a couple hours ago, this was not showing up in the center. That was my intent. So this is using, and that's the end of last stream session. Show notes also actually showing this. So this is the site map where I can keep track of my site structure. And it will reflect the, so what do we have here? Chronological content archive since the site creation. It's organized months, months of the year and the post count. October has around 90 something posts because I uploaded in one day 90 galleries created with 10 photos in each post. So that's what happened with that October 2023. A calendar. You can go back for. Does this work? Will this work if I press? If I go 1 month back? Okay, calendar with the way I've set up the URLs, calendar permalinks don't work because I didn't. Calendar uses the date, year, month type of year. Type of format, and it's just not working. What if I delete whole cache round, go to sitemap, I'll just ditch the calendar. Well, is this, no, this is not, so this might be November. I'm stupid, this is November, this is 6 posts from November, yeah. Go back to sitemap, it works actually. But I don't have navigation for the whole, can't change, I can just go 1 month back. Why can I go to October? Are there any more properties for this calendar? Block color advance. Just go 1 month back previously. Any other options? Calendar. Options. No other properties for calendar. Alignment is the inherited. I guess that's that. Well, let me just, I'll push this calendar straight down. Hit update. Localization English. There are a few things here. I want to I'll deprecate ditch these categories. Localization in English. Site will be completely English, at least for now. What's planned as I plan it. So it doesn't need the specific categories English, because I thought I'd ditch my old domain and also make this site bilingual and maybe allow other authors, collaborators to use their own language, but it just makes structure hierarchy more complex. Not bad idea, but I cannot simulate it, how branching would go, how this hierarchy would go. WordPress is very, very robust and flexible on any customization. It can it's possible to rewire it and it will still work, but until one point when I broke in last installation, I broke the categories for it didn't show for some posts, so that was weird, because I had categories within a category, and another category that was like I was running some similar topics on the higher level and in a deeper level, and I've deleted one and it just stopped working properly. I'm thinking how to implement. I need to elaborate the idea of the categories here, and especially because there is some content still not here on this website. I've got a few more posts on the creation website that I didn't translate, but at least I've got here a big draft post not published yet with these show notes in it. Is that updated? Is that did I update the latest show notes draft with the edit preview? Why is this open? Dashboard. Is this open? I like this brain. Tech and web smart. Organic brain nerve tissue, gray matter, pinky gray matter. So this is old show notes. This is not from previous session. As I go through the session, as I go, I talk about, touch on different subjects. I'm doing this with an assumption that that whoever is actually interested in working, this is not a tutorial, because there are enough tutorials already existing. Since past 10 years, everything is on YouTube available. So if you want something step by step, hand guiding, I advise to check there. Okay, I'll just replace these show notes and update my draft. So on the, since this work desktop and streaming are separate computers, and show notes are on the computer because they're scrolling, they're read from the notepad file. I'll copy the notepad text in the browser and save draft, and that way I will get them on the website. In this episode, I don't know. In this episode, that's the thing, not yet clear. Not yet clear. Data structure, hierarchy, save, and well, at least so here's the deal. I'm lazy to edit, record episode, watch the whole material and editing, and put out maybe one episode a day, a week, or bi-weekly one episode. That's slow growth for me. This way you can see what's at hand and ask the questions right in live. And my previous, I've decided on the title last time. It's layout control. Control, but it's actually controlling layout. But I wanted to layout to be the first word in the video title. So at least there, I at least try to keep enough segmentation of my stream content. So with the simpler video title, stream title, on all platforms, I can make it work as a episode, consumable content as episodes. So I have that. Wow, look at nobody's complaining about my spelling errors. Chat, don't be lazy. Give me a heads up about these. Why is the use case showing as a... use case should be separate. Use case or dash in between. I'll use the dash. And save draft. So here in the show notes, there's the semantics hierarchy. Save content page of visual presentation elements, content index use case. Okay, there here we go. Dash, yes. Layout, presentation, semantic. What was here? Hi. What was the... What did I do wrong? Refresh. What did I say wrong here? Hierarchy. Here are here. I'm missing R. I'm missing an R. There was another spelling error. It doesn't show in Notepad, and I cannot compare. It already slipped my mind. Okay, so for the website content, this is the new of coining. I'm working on this term concept, open workshops, Tech and WebSmart. I want to replace the Studio Lab. It is a Studio Lab, that's a reality, and it is touching upon technology and web using human brain power. That's the thing. And that's the department. That's actually general, broader scope. So how to fit this in website so I can actually publish these show notes. So edoga is missing some intro page. But that type of page is what's in uncategorized and the update, what's in the promo. So with the original posts like this, it was very hard to get to the, let's say, first post, like intro post. These few posts are sticky pinned posts. This also pins, and the first post is all the way somewhere in the back at the beginning, and that's hard. That's almost impossible for anybody to jump over there. Maybe I can do this. Let me see. This is that was a sitemap. Okay, if I switch to appearance editor, I can try and tweak the theme to show, maybe jump to first, all the way to the first pages, templates, yeah. Template blog home. I'm using now the blog home template, and if I go into it and click edit, click it to edit it, what I have in the theme is, this theme doesn't contain any customizable it just does its work, like grab the query loop content and that's it. And it here in pagination, styles, block themes, here in pagination I like it to show also jump to first. I think that should exist. Jump to first, justification, orientation, block name, show labels. multiple lines, center align. Well, yeah, this is full width, wide width, but that's not the game. Why aren't there more detailed, like first and previous? Jump to first. If I press previous, next, newer post, going to left. It's a bit backwards, but I'll ignore that. If I try to add a block, does it? Page numbers. Let's say, let me see. Let me see page numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Number of links. 9, 10, 11. Okay, 7, 5. Like this. Advance. So adding a new block understands the context. So as I pressed add new post. Can I get this go here? Page numbers go in between. Wow, this is so weird. Older posts go there, Newer posts go to left. That's okay. Now I see it. Anything else? Are there any other options? Customizable. Copy style, paste style, template part, style, background, typography. Nothing additionally. Pagination. If I add a block, that will just offer a block, the next block below. So query loop is in the theme block section. Post this page tagline. That's no big deal here. Next post, previous post, pagination. Read more comments, login term. Not a super big deal, but also in a way it is. Let me see how will this work. And if I hit F5 now here, so 1, 2, 3, 11. Is that the last page? Is this the last page? So this is the last page, 11. Yeah, 11 pages. And the first post here, that's the thing. So if I press newer post and this goes to the left, okay, something needs to be sorted out here. So this is pagination section is spread around arrow label text. Page numbers are kind of tiny, maybe medium size. Yeah, make them larger. Cool. Maybe bolder. It's impossible to edit them deeper. Do some deeper edits. And centering, is there any alignment control? How does it look? So on the right side is the page numbers when I'm on the beginning of a sequence, and here so going next, and if I go completely to first page, they will appear on the left opposite. So is the pagination, how this works? Arrow show labels, show text labels. Spread, center. Maybe better like this. Maybe this is better. And align to top. Stretch to fill. Align middle. Alignment to middle and save. Yes, save. Go back. Preview. So this will be here. Now makes more. It's more sensible. If I scroll, because I also want to be able to go to. I don't know why this theme completely neglected this section. This is like if the app is blogging, then give me a means to browse through. It's like a theme built just for a single page website, or maybe infinite posts. It's possible today it's possible just to have one post and everything built in it, the whole website almost, for let's say single page websites. And just update the beginning of the post, you just update there, maybe put a timestamp and keep the same post like a home page for everything. So if I jump, this is getting better in pagination, enabling pagination, maybe so. So maybe I add show note now. To customizing. Customizing pagination. Posts navigation. No, that's not post navigation, it's just okay, just pagination. Customizing pagination. Site. No, it's not site navigation. I don't mind, just it's noted. And why I want to jump to this section, because here is a type of an intro, because I left an intro over here and then left like some type of mine. So there are a few interesting big posts touching upon my workflow with the OBS. I'll be right back because I need after this 1 hour to move my legs around, squeeze my butt cheeks for the blood going, get blood going, so my legs don't dry out and fall off. And it's like a classroom session, 1 hour, and then stretch your legs. Stretch ours legs. Switching to this thingy. I'll be right back.
Zapravo ova kartica koja PCI kartica je jako loši performansi spram AGP verzije.
Okay, let's try
Da sa 3D isto doba rani dvije, ne vidim spominje.
let me know how the audio levels are going to look at this. Straight into this.
Ovo epizodi za laboratorija.
Da bi bio ovaj video koristan, a ovo neke stvari raščlaniti za snimanje. Slušat ćemo Marka malo kasnije pozornije, ne treba vama je na trećem kompjuteru YouTube video tržište trenutno. Mic hot, going back to the bench of work, or maybe moment of big close-up frame, close-up scene before getting further. A little bit of thinking out loud. So, to remind myself and to get back on track, this is not just making a website. This is also building internet graph. Switch to work, bench of work, batch of work, and in here, so I've made a quick intro. That's for the, okay, so this is the first post. This text will go in kind of a start position about page. I'll try to step away from the generic terms on the web pages, but keep close. Reinvent some things like start position, a hybrid about page. So because here is the deal, I don't in my website I don't read my cookies myself. I don't control them. It's just something that WordPress is doing on its own for some basic actually it nearly doesn't use any cookies. That's the deal. It doesn't almost use the cookies for any specific reason. Maybe just some temp data to improve user experience. User can't here do anything, cannot tweak any experience on its own. So all there is no read write, no write to website. This is not Web 3. I don't know. On shared hosting, I didn't investigate deep enough to figure out, can I implement on shared hosting Web 3 concept? I almost gave up on using website and switching completely to Odyssey, because library is has all the tools required to run a website. Maybe you cannot customize the user interface, but it allows editing, fencing up the posts, text posts, update videos. There's much more storage, but I use a combination. Upload videos, share them on Odyssey, and embed them in my website. And only to kind of only what I would do maybe is get my own internet domain and point it to my Odyssey channel, Odyssey account. That's the thing, and it would work like it will almost work like a privately owned website. So that's about Web 3, and Odyssey has all the tools developed, ready to use. Tips, payments in crypto. In my country, the credit cards are not. I think at the moment, what Odyssey says reports to me, notifies me if I try to enable memberships with credit cards. I don't know why didn't they implement crypto memberships, paying memberships, crypto just with credit cards, and it says to me that only US banking is supported at the moment. That way it will probably stay for long. How did I get to that subject? I can't remember at the moment. And for what is it saying? What am I saying here? So this is quick intro, hypermedia outlet for hypermedia serial updates, edoga press host, blah blah blah. Okay, that's not the truth fact. Some facts changed. I have a slight craving for some content on the side. What is it saying? What's it saying in the titles here on Odyssey, my Odyssey feed? Oh, look at this thumbnail. You look at this thumbnail. Look at this thumbnail. Look at this guy. Why am I following anyway this person? YouTube terminated my channel. So why did you allow it? Why did you play that way? Who's to blame? Am I to blame? Why? Oh look, I came naked in the town square and everybody's I don't know, complaining about my behavior. What? YouTube terminated my channel. Oh, you'll be missed. Why did I follow that person? I can't remember. That's the biggest and worst aspect on the Odyssey. Like freedom of speech, truthers. Wow, all crap from internet is on the Odyssey. Some completely, I don't know, annoying topics like criticizing woke culture. That's actually invention. Woke culture doesn't exist. That's fake. That aspect, that's completely fake. Truthism, wokeism, fakest fakes. They did emerge actually. They migrated from the traditional print media. Traditional media into this internet media streams, but they are just rubbish. What am I looking at? Will I be listening to any of this? Do I just play something of this? No. I don't care about your exit plan for Polygon. I'm working on a website here. So this is the Well, here's the deal. It's possible So I might do this experiment. I might just grab this link and put it in the about section, where I can also put, or just on the bottom page. I might clone or look in another check the pattern, footer pattern that contains like footer pattern that contains like a disclaimer section, footer content, web page, website footer content with a disclaimer, and park there about and privacy policy and sitemap. I might try squeeze this photojournal under as a submenu to Malivir, Eddy. Tips and donation support at the moment cannot work. Well, still they can work as a general page for the whole website, since I'm the single author here. All other authors are too lazy to start making money and leaving a permanent mark on the internet, because this is big chore. This making a website, I just copy paste rubbish and post on tweet, pumping my bags, my crypto, my coin, grinding for my coin. I used to work as a mod admin for one crypto community, token community. I was just idling around and trying myself to make content and just point out that its content is like made in collaboration, support from that community, that's all. I did it on my own. That's some of the first videos on the Play for Cyber Sellsword channel, and in some of my videos in the first season I also had there is a text and video in collaboration with a token community, Axolino, while it lasted for a year, full year. So what am I saying here is, hi, Malivir Eddy is here. Yes, that's me, and this is my new website. I'm the fixer, put short. I'm the fixer. In fact, I need this purpose to augment my live streams, augment my visual aid, and a hub for, okay, this is, I kind of thought through what I'll say here. It's mainly open to public casual style. Mainly open, well, what? Okay. At the moment, I'm struggling to apply adequate labels that I describe for newcomers. What's this about? My habit is to publish notes and draft quotes when hot, and later touch it up. Okay, touch it up during calm periods. I come often with solutions in motion, new ways to solve bridge gap between what's new and what's available at my disposal, range of image and get to I had the absolute along the way. Let me say it's about multimedia, mixed media, hypermedia, if you will oriented. I like working, creating with and on PC. With recent effort put towards exploring means to monetize online, but my latest engagement is live streaming, so I spend a lot of time experimenting, trying out with success. Many communities have and obvious of different developments of video sharing and live streaming. I'll use this website in and for my live streams. How? Well, yeah, in. Well, I thought that I'll use a website. That I was thinking about using a website as a website like for show notes, that I'll show web page in the. But since I didn't settle on the layout style, I ignored that. Oh, I got on the performance here. This is how the stream computer is doing. Just jump on the. Why don't I go? I many times I said, okay, I'll go through the homepage on Kik, and I'm not. And maybe I should also inspect the homepage of YouTube. So inspect your streaming. Go through top to bottom of front page. Streaming, where you're streaming, Twitch, Kik, Odyssey, YouTube, and look through how the content is showing there. What are the categories? Because the categories, some labels don't apply to me, but I want to fit some kind of vlog term, and on Twitch. There are only categories for games, or maybe, I don't know. There's no IRL actually category on Kik. So what's the deal there? I've got some notifications. Layout control, yeah, cool. Cool. I've seen enough. So I should do that. I don't know if this is the moment where I should do it now, but it kind of is related about the work that I'm doing, because type of content I'm making should translate also into this web page, the category. And one other thing is, there's another thing I need to get rid of here. Oh, this is completely silly session, but you know, hey. I keep mentioning that I'll create my own theme, my own template in this theme. And I just keep not doing it. I need more experiments. I need more experiments. That's what's required here. Like last time, experimenting with widgets and creating actually a very neat sitemap. You know what I'll do now? No, what I'll do right now, I'll resubmit this website to Google for AdSense. I need this pushed through as soon as possible. This can't wait. Beginning from 1st February 2024, Google will begin enforcing new consent management requirements for partners using our Search Ads Publisher products. AdSense for search, AdSense for shopping, AdSense for domains, or programmable search engine publishers may meet those requirements by implementing a Google certified CMP. CMP might be the cookie management policy or something like that that integrates with IAB Europe's Transparency and Consent Framework TCF to collect consent when serving ads. Cool, you have no... Okay, I read that. I'm not using the search, Google search. I'll work on that custom Google search. That's good to have monetization. So I can, this is the thing, Google search for ads for publishers means that I can have a search field on my website that will open the search result page, and all advertising shown in that search results also revenue goes to me. And I did play about with that 10 years ago, but and it worked well. But it failed. I didn't dedicate enough time to it to migrate that into WordPress website. What I'm looking here is sites. Here, see, these are the roots of the money tree. What needs attention here? What needs attention? You need to fix it before learn about getting your site. 20 years ago, when I first submitted and got approved for AdSense, I had a lamest site ever. And now when I have like a top-notch, fancy, modern website with layout, oh, it's not good enough. Stop it with that. If I click here, isn't ready. Why? I'll double check my website. It should have a code in a page. Go in my dashboard. And also I can just hit here F12 and do inspection. In the header there should be a Google code. Where is the script? Why I'm not seeing that code here? Because I can't read this junk of a font, tiny font. For one reason. And what's the other reason? I'm not seeing here. Why isn't there? Why isn't here? Why I'm not seeing here Google AdSense code? Script, blah blah blah. Come. That's a little bit strange. Where did I? Where is my custom settings? Where is my? Where did I implement header? Where's my custom header? Oh, here it is. Was it disabled? Did I disable it? This is enabled, that's cool. Post pages. I'm looking at my WordPress extend, VP extend plugin that brings some different tools into one plugin that's usually separate, that deal with security, and I'm looking at that off in a safe place away from stream view. My feet getting curled. I'm constantly on the edge of the frame of the camera here. Section users, clean profiles, what's tidy up user profile, remove section. Hides the actual export users, navigation menu, visibilities, user switching, images, media trash, quick OK. Hide admin bar, disable RSS feed, tidy nav, clean up and remove menu items based on specific user roles, clean dashboard widgets, pro version, okay. So settings, delete all plugin data or plugin remove, okay. Export settings, import settings, so VP extend modules. Snippets, extend insert header footer snippet, add new header snippet name, AdSense, and where's the Google? Where's that Google? Copy this, put this here, okay, save, replace the code, clear all cache, 1 2 3 4 5, verify, my site's verified, okay. What did you find? What? This is all notification. What are you? March, February. What are the content policies? What's going on here? They're not telling me specifics, and they're not complaining about completely the same site. I have another site almost clone, and that's fine. And this one is like they have some complaints about it, and no specifics. Yeah, I fixed issues. This is an old review requested. Okay, that's what I was aiming at. Get another review. That was old. That was old report response like oh, you crazy, you're crazy with your website, you're just crazy. Only complaint I have about the new block themes is that there's no more code editor for the theme. Cannot edit the theme files and paste in the JavaScript code. There is to enable ads on the web page. This review from Google side will take around 2 weeks. I don't know when will they start. Maybe I do enough improvements on it doing this, and it will be accepted. I had crappiest websites like their Blogger service I had approved for web pages. I had approval open even for a website that I abandoned 15 years ago. They're just jumping. This is artistic Olympics, swimming pool, high altitude jumps into their own mouth. That's the thing. That's what this is. What they're doing. You know the term jumping in your own mouth? I'm more than happy having this streaming these few days, work on this. I don't know, I was getting kind of during summertime I was waiting, will I be doing rebuilding a new website, will I be doing again that. But so far, having selling ad space on website is most profitable. I might just say all of other concepts, crypto and those grifting, scheming, fringe scammy concepts never paid me anything. Never paid me anything, just made me waste electricity, except some proof of work mining, crypto mining. There you all saw it. I've submitted this website for Google to review and approve ads showing. So this site might in next 2 weeks get monetization running on it. I hope that Google gets rolls out as soon as possible strict rules. You use ad blocker, no content for you. Eat your ad blocker. Eat it. free content. Why would anybody create and promote content for free if it's not a lie? Free stuff, it's a lie. Lies. Free stuff. What? Where's free stuff? Why? How? What? Where? Free stuff? How? What? Did I hear you say free stuff? What? Let me check my electricity bill. Is it? Did it say free or there's like 100 euros per month for electricity? What's going on here? Mobile? My mobile provider? My internet provider free? Since when? My lunch, is that free? Your lunch, was that free? Where did you spend during work week, first time of day, 10 hours, 9 hours, 11 hours? What were you doing? Free? For free? Free stuff. Come on. Get serious. That's wake up call. Links without categories. And then that's uncategorized, that's the first default category. Update. WordPress has a functionality called sticky post, like pinning a post on top of feed, but it's also possible to filter specific posts in a feed using categories or tags, taxonomies. And depending on the use case, it's possible to combine those type of properties for a post, page maybe. Like these three, which are promos. This is the default feed. You can move it. You can actually close it. Sitemap, I've seen it. I've had enough with it. So this post text. I've opened this specific one and my hi, it's Malivir. Where's the dashboard? Here. User, profile, my profile. Oh, let's check. Let me click the users. Let's see what Justin did so far. What did he do? How's he leaving the trail? Persistent trail. Oh, November 7th last year. Also last year, crawling moon. What you're doing? What you waiting for? What you waiting for, man? Fire burn ya. You hear me? Justin? What you doing? I didn't figure out this gravatar. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. It depends on how gravatar is almost there's the privacy concern, digital footprint footprint leaving with gravatar. I did set it up to work, but it depends. Not all services interpret it the same. It depends on the email registered over there. Okay, language side, default appearance dashboard. Move away from here. Gallery. This is template edited. Okay. So. Well, why not? The sitemaps are uncategorized, updated, edoga, so I need to tweak these posts and leave this category uncategorized. Updates in a sense of like site announcements, main announcements, promotional, almost like close to pinned sticky posts. And intro quick is uncategorized, so intro is uncategorized and this English, so I might just leave this. Dashboard, posts, categories, go. It's possible to manage categories here, create new, add new, or while editing a post like this post. If I'm editing this post, I can create a new category straight in here in the left pane in the post properties. Is the mouse click highlighter enabled? No, it's not. Enable the magnifier. Well, just cool. So this is not uncategorized. Update promo how-tos. Is this how-tos? So it's how-tos. But I want to add a new category. That is a new category. New category and new category. New category that's called how-tos. WordPress. Yeah, you. Okay, so here's the deal. So these are not elaborate texts. That these are just show notes, and these they are related to these live streams, these show notes. So these show notes are related to this live stream, and if I just go on top, okay, so show notes, open workshops, and I'll switch around this. WEB&TechSmart, open workshops, yep. And so this can be live show notes, okay. Okay, this doesn't, so this is kind of this, okay. This will be heading 2, like this. And all this, each one of these can be now expanding. This can all be H3. This, H3, H3. Here I go, H3. Work on my website, work on your website, full. Heading 3, episode 3, kind of, after 2-3 episodes got tired with enumeration. 3, layout control, so okay, this is fine. Preview, new tab. Let me have a look. So these are, I didn't update the, come on, update the title. What you doing? Yeah, live show notes. Oh, I can switch this around. I can completely switch around this. WebSmart Open Workshops, that's like main title, yeah? Open Workshops, and maybe tagline Tech and WebSmart, or WEB&TechSmart Open Workshops. Yeah, I've started using WEB&TechSmart. And live show notes. Yeah, cool. I have an idea. There's something growing. So this is kind of really lengthy page. And I'm having an idea for this. But right after I visit the one room in my lab, I'll be right back. Right back at you, coming in a moment, in a minute. Switching to intermission. Select to this one.
Zapravo, ova kabica kao pisa je kabica jako loši performansi spram AGP verzije. Podržava nekakav 3D iz tog doba, rani transition. Nije vrijedno spomenu. Jako lako.
Why don't you... Hey, stop. They seem like some
epizodi za laboratorija
bombs. Da bi ova video koristan, a on neke stvari za snimanje. Slušat ćemo Marka malo kasnije pozornije da ne dobija vama na trećem kompjuteru. YouTube video. Okay, so držite se.
also to another platform.
Yeah, I'm back to the workbench. Back to the workbench. So I think I've figured it out, and the trick is to use a page. I'll use a page, and I'll use a page even if it's, I don't know, so I create a page and I can do whatever I want in it. I can use query loop to show the related posts, category, so on. So that's first thing. Okay, cool. Is that it? I'm quite surprised that nobody's interested in WordPress, or just doesn't find pleasure. Well, okay, I know watching somebody work is not a big deal, but hey, I'm here. I'm open for discussion, questions, suggestions. But for suggestions, I mean, I won't be changing much from what I'm doing now. I need proven, battle-tested. I don't need new experimental stuff to implement, especially on shared hosting. I cannot run my own server online. I can have a server, and I'll get to that also. I can run locally web server, narrow bandwidth from my home. but I cannot get full year subscription and launch an online app project node. Hoping that that's a killer app or build on top of the existing ecosystem that's struggling, like missed the direction. Especially having clashes with the privacy policies imposed. So how would I put together these few concepts? So here is this concept, then here is this concept, me saying hi, and then there's the concept hello edoga, like this. This, I don't need the developer tools. Promo, you've seen that. What's in here? This is this promo. Edit page sitemap. Okay, that's cool, really nice. This live show notes. Okay. Pull out the live show notes. Are there two pages live show and this? So here are at least these couple of so when I don't know how other people do it, but I need visual. When I get things organized this way, it just sits after some time, just sits perfectly for me. So this is my page. This is a post. Okay, I can arrange it. My page, my post, my post, and this content video show notes. Yeah, so this is and now it's 4 columns, widescreen. Will I stick to 2 cups of coffee or grab a third one? I need to trim my stashes. So why is Malivire important? Malivire is important because that's the name of my channels. Okay. Each video is kind of different. They're not all the same category, topic, subject. And in each video I can, let's say for this season part, I can have this, well, Malivir can be all WEB&TechSmart open workshops. That's what I do as a Malivir. And also some original author stuff. And so if I scroll through my page, okay, there's an intro. Okay, there's I've been typing something over there. The intro. Okay, got it. And so someone might say, oh, why bother with the whole website and so on and so on. You just use the, I don't know, Twitter as a website and free to use Linktree, link list service. And I just have a simple one-page website and links. Go there, watch me there. I won't own my own stuff. I can recreate here a plain and simple links page, Linktree clone, my own here, and I can set up that work like even as a service, allow other users to register. I approve them and they create their own single page website, second level domain. You edit your own links. But I want to be able to work out my own search engine strategy. That's another thing. Is this important? Is this quick intro important? Yes and no. No and yes. Intro. What would this? Is this could fit category updates? What categories is? It's uncategorized, so this can fit updates. Quick intro. Malivir Eddy, that's author Malivir Eddy, cool. Tag intro hello. Category localization. That's category is deprecated. So I might just best jump out of this and category. So this is closely related. Let's say I want to reuse this. This is closely related to Mech. This is general. And this is specific. Because live show notes WEB&TechSmart is the best body of work so far. So how do I, where in hierarchy do I push or place live show notes? WEB&TechSmart. Let me look at the sitemap. Sitemap will help here. So here is where the sitemap helps. Latest posts, that's cool. That's general latest posts. That's a widget. This is also a widget. No, this is what? Okay. These two are top. These three categories: page list and tag cloud. That's deep. These are prime concepts here. These unlock the search engine optimization, semantics. Categories reveal the structure, and page list the navigation. So those are three things. And how to park here the idea, the concept of, let's say I want to promote. So I actually want to promote okay, I think I got it. So open workshops. I think I got it. There I go. Here I go. Cool. Best idea so far. I might even go to live show notes. Do I have them anywhere editable? Yeah, this is editing live show notes post. I might switch this, convert this into a page. Can I convert this into a page? Can this turn into a page? Template, single post, this can be a page. Template default, and I just create close meaning close the magnifier. Single post, can I convert this into a page? No, this is single post. Template, but it's easy, it's simple to this is simple to convert into create a web page. I just hit new web page, blog home. What's this? Oh, this I edited the page, the template categories. Don't care about categories at the moment. Add new page. I'm adding a new page, and it will be called Open Workshops. There it is, Open Workshops. And I'll do this. Open Workshops, you go to the left, come on, select yeah. Okay, yeah, got it, go back, yeah, cool. And I just leave, okay, I just select everything here. I just select the whole thing. Close this, reveal this. Actually, I need these options, copy all blocks. and paste them into this page. And I've got everything here. Open workshops, WEB&TechSmart. So what is the title? I'll say open workshops in the title, of course. It's enough specific but flexible. Web and TechSmart. That's it. Okay, and that means that here are the live show, live streaming, show notice so far. And this can be heading 2. And delete this. This is this can be subheading like this. I can even play it like this, and maybe italic. No, remove italic. Just like that for now. This can be italic. This can be italicized, or even like the quote I invented, like this. Maybe even put a quote like this, citation by. There we go. So these are show notes from live streaming sessions, episodes, episodes, yeah. There is a date, but here I can just pull out a link here. That's one thing, and this is enough so far. This is kind of text that goes in the video's descriptions, that I stopped using because I'm just driving whoever it is around. Get over here on the website. Multimedia resolution demo you are listening to. That was a show. Cool. I'll leave this at the moment. Now, what's here on the bottom? How come this is empty space? List, and that's it. So, pages, immediately, pending review, author, Malvir. Don't allow comments, or allow comments. I'll allow comments for this page, because, you know, 1, 2, 3, order 3. Featured image for this. This is it. This is featured image. Open works hops. Open works. Alternative text. Oh. Copy, paste, and I'm ready to publish the page, publish page. So on the sitemap, if I hit F5, the page will not be shown in the page list yet. But I'll get it here in pages list, open workshops. So here it is. That's the thing, open workshops. Do I create a category for it? I might also create a category to open workshops, live open workshops. So open workshops means actually it's closely related to actually live content. Workshops is something that's in real time happening. That's the idea. Sitemap, add pages. These are these silly things. Silly. Sitemap. Okay, sitemap. Edit sitemap. I don't need to edit sitemap. I've edited. It's very nice. Very nice. What I need is the editor, navigation, map search algorithm. Can I move this? Can I move this over here? No, can't. Yeah. Excellent. Very good. So I've moved that photojournal below here, and what I need to do is block navigation block, yes. Add one more page. Open workshops page. Is that the page? Is that the one? Is that it? Go. Workshops. What am I moving? What am I doing? Undo. Another undo. And another undo. Okay, select page. Open workshop. Move. Cool. Thank you. And now why is this the idea? Because on this page, open workshops, it can represent on the website it can work for a website, it can do a work for me in a sense that at the moment I don't need this, I don't need this, and I don't need this. Open workshops, I click on that, load the page, and here it is. Load complete everything, delete cache, cool, delete the cache. So this is this way I have a specialized URL web address that point directly to this web page, which can, this URL can be used for all content, like parent category for all content that I'm making that is like a do-yourself, how I do it, and so on. And for all website visitors coming here, they might come, let's say, from a video that was like this video, creative, and they want to see how stuff is done. Is that in a workshop? Stuffs are done in workshops. So here it is, open workshops. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's workflow I want to implement at the moment. And right here on this page, it's possible to recognize the thumbnail I use for live stream. Then what I have next is show notes from live stream session. That right away makes sense. How long should I make this episode? I'm yawning and also considering a third coffee cup. So what's the trick here? I can break each of these headings, text sections for each specific show into each post, and they can go into category live show notes, live shows, and I can put a tag on a post or even a category, and I can read them on this page, so I can remove, because what needs to happen is this part of page needs to show right away it needs to be clear right away what's going on this page, what is happening here. and I'll experiment with the 3-column layout, but even the 4-column layout turned out like to be possible. This is also possible, 4-column layout. It's kind of too busy, it's a bit too busy. It's maybe too busy. It's a bit too busy, too competing for attention, but efficient. If this was a printed newspaper, printed print media, you would get this way of the layout of paper print. This type of layout. Visual graphic design, page break done on it. And in print media there's no waste, no empty space. Everything is, every inch of print media is capital. Because this, in a way, this layout is just silly. What's 4 words, whole screen, electricity wasted on one image, and 4 words. I'm voting for next coffee cup. So, next idea is there should be a statement like manifest for the web page, the whole website, the published content here and other platforms, or media type. So publishing, medias, formats, video, URL. Is that it? Is that it? Publishing media URL, publishing media URL. This is that, this is the, I've updated the template, okay. This is this, this is this, this is this, and this is this. This is the post, this is post. That was post, yeah? Yeah, post. That's now almost not important anymore, but I can use it then for drafting. Drafting. Now, this is how the press in WordPress, printing press works. This is running the WordPress printing press. That's the engine, that's how it goes. And I'll experiment with this busier. I'll experiment. I will try this experiment. 4-column. How would this work? How would this work? What's going on with this? If I stretch it to top, can it be made seamless? Inline the top row, inline, aligned top row, columns. And this can be forced to stack on mobile in a one column portrait. I don't even need to specifically publish this episode, but I'll take a break, close this and take a break, but maybe somehow. Am I lazy? Am I just being lazy now? What's going on? Am I being lazy? Open workshops, yeah. So if I'm saying that I will break this into columns, this narrow image just doesn't work. What might work here, I need a different template for this type of page. What might work here is full width header with title and tagline, page tagline. Here's a quote for our wisdom from me. And then a title of section that shows the posts list. Posts lists filtered using taxonomy. So what is important? I need actually also for search engine optimization, I need live. I need the term live, because all this content, this part of content, this section refers to live streaming. That's the deal. And I want to say here also show notes, workshop, open workshops. So I need to say here something about these, something like edit page, something I say like a straight away, right after this smart command. Don't delete stuff. So what I say here is available and streamed live on Odyssey, Twitch, Bolt, Plus TV, YouTube, Kick, and all this can be a link. All this can be a link. Well, I'll actually use a separate each link for each platform here. So I've got already my links, intro, quick live show notes. Where are the links? Where are the links? Links. Here are the links. So wait, this is crazy. I can even reuse this complete. I can just grab this, just copy this link and use this whole section, bold, add link. Watch this. This is what you want to do. This is what we want. This is what I want. Don't open new tab. Advanced markers not full. This is just fine. Just fine. So if I update this and if I preview this, this is what I'll get. Open workshops available and streamed live on all this. So when I click this, it jumps in this page down on this section links in the page. That's the like in-app linking. Wow. Wow. So have you seen that, huh? Have you seen that? That's the thing. Now this is getting somewhere. Click here, go to my page, open workshops, go to open workshops, show notes, real cool. Okay, now it makes sense. Show notes, categories. Live streaming, category live, streaming, video streaming, category video streaming, video streaming, live. Sitemap. So how to build the structure? Let's say in categories. The structure that is like first level categories, generalized, media, video. Publications, live, category live, category how-tos, open workshop live, open workshop live, open workshop, or just tag live, open workshop tag live, open workshop tag live, open workshop how-tos, category live, video live streaming. But if I want to break this up into posts. So for what if I want now to break this into posts, each post as an episode? What category would it go? There's another trick I can do. I can just grab a feed. RSS feed from YouTube, for example, that works good, and show it here. Did I implement here a video? No, I didn't embed a video for my channel. These images need a workover. Thinking cap is on, and introduction. So that's just the intro, which was also in this intro, but this is happening. This is just okay. Hi, I'm already ready here. Okay, this is that. I might just copy this text and post it on Twitter, each paragraph. So each paragraph can be a Twitter post, a thread, bam, and put a tag on it, tag it. That's I've got it. So what's good about so here it is, a central place, text ready, available, just copy paste into other status update post feeds, just copy paste it and place a permanent mark anchor spots along the internet. That's the thingy. I need to polish this page, and so on and so on. I'm not sure about the next session right away, but I should close this one. Show notes are not a big deal this time, but I will just update it with like this. Okay, customize pagination. That's like designing, designing designing a task. Save. And I'll make some notes. What's been going on here? So, website website planning, website planning. That was the thing. That was it. Website planning. Traded open workshops dedicated web page. What else is interesting here? Well, well, organize mine site nav bar top menu save. And here this is it. This is show notes, and I'll switch here now to finish this, like I say in the beginning, jump at the end of the video to check what's been done in the full episode, and here it is, so anybody can, whoever is jumping from the start of the video here to the end can read about it. And on the streaming computer I'm going into the live show notes draft, and I'll add at the end, at the bottom of the page, or even better, I might just rearrange all this, the flow of the notes here. Show notes go newest first, not oldest first, but I'll use the same layout. So as so far, heading, it's the web, I'll call it web designate, web design, dev vlog episode, web design dev. That's kind of that's a tagline, but what's this specific site planning? Yeah, website planning, website planning, website design, develop, WordPress. Cool. Change this to paragraph. No heading. Okay, here is this. You don't see this, but here it is. Heading level 3. Website planning. Live So EP and put a note here like this, save draft, so that will be available on the work computer. And I can switch now to the end, to outro. Bye bye. Bye bye.